Alright guys, welcome back to my fast video on these Parawedge anchors. Now I'm going to show you, I already did last week I did a very, I'm not going to say a very lengthy video, but I did a longer video than normal on these anchors. Now I'm just going to basically show you how to use this, no talking. What you want to do is when you get whatever size you need, typically this is 3/8, so I'll be using a 3/8 bit. You want to put a marker on your bit so you know how deep it goes, because right on the back of these, right on the back, it tells you how deep to go. This one is a minimum of 2 1/4 inches. Now, could I go more? I sure can. And I probably will sink this one a little bit more than I did last week or 2 weeks ago, so you can see what I'm talking about. Once it's in there, guys. It's in there for a good long time until you decide it to come out. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring you down here. I'm going to drill this in here. I'm going to show you how to put it in, what I recommend doing. And if you want to see all the lengthy parts of this, all the pull-out strength and all that, definitely check the other video, which will be coming up at the end of this video, where you guys can look. Now, let's show you what it's all about right here. So these are good for solid walls, not hollow walls, or solid floors, not hollow walls, and definitely not on the ceiling. All right, here we go. All right, so I went a little deeper, and yeah. So what I like to do is I like to put the nut on the top of this because it has a flat spot, but we're not worried about that. We're just going to put it in here, put it in, and all you have to do is just tap it on down. Now you'll know when you're done because it will stop going down. Then you'll take your channel locks or your wrench, you'll tighten her up, it'll seat. And once it is seated, now you don't even have to do this. You don't have to pre-do this. You can just put whatever you're putting on here. There we go. Right down on there, boom, and it'll seat itself. All right, and when it's seated, you take your nut bag off. You slide whatever you're putting down on there, whether it be, you know, this piece right here. You know, you put your washer on, boom, tighten her up. It's good to go. If you don't like how long it is, if it's this long, or this long and you don't like that long, take a Sawzall, cut it off. You're done. It's done. It's in there. It's not coming out. Make sure you tighten this down good though, because you don't want it coming out. Everything you saw in this video will definitely be down in the links where you can buy it. I'm telling you guys, these wedges, all the videos I've done with these, the anchors, the wedges, the lags, whatever, man. I'm telling you, these are amazing. All these anchors, I've given you so many to choose from. I mean, you got to pick one. So, if you like what you see, make sure you check out this video right here. The one I told you will be coming up. Remember what I told you. Click on it. I will see you guys in that one. God bless you guys. Don't forget to click that video. Right there. Go ahead. And I'll see you there. God bless.